Good morning, class. Today I will be presenting you this compound. First, we will start with the IUPAC name. So, its full name is cis dichloridyl bis 2,2' bipyridine ruthenium with an oxidation state of 2. Okay, so the cis part comes from the two identical groups located on the same side of the bond of the double bond or ring structure. In this case, it's going to be the chlorine atoms. So now the dichloridyl part indicates the presence of two chloroligands bound to a metal center, which is the ruthenium. Now the ruthenium has an oxidation state of 2 because it has lost 2 electrons. And now the only thing left is the bipyridine. The bipyridine is its prefix is bi because it has two pyridine molecules. Okay, now that we got the IUPAC name out of the way, we can take care of the neutral electron count. So for this metal, ruthenium, in the periodic table, it's on the group 8. So it's going to give us 8 electrons. The bipyridine atoms each gives us 4 electrons. And since we have 2, that'll be a total of 8 electrons. And now for the chlorine atoms, each chlorine has 1 electron. And since we have 2 chlorine atoms, we have 2 electrons. So in a total, this whole neutron electron count for this compound will be 18 electrons for the neutral electron count. Okay, now that we have the neutral electron count, we're going to do the ionic electron count. So for this, we have to keep in mind that in this compound, ruthenium is in the oxidation state 2. So with that being said, since ruthenium is in group 8, but it has an oxidation state of 2, which means it lost 2 electrons, it's going to have 6 electrons in total. So now the two bipyridine atoms, each one of them has 4 electrons, and since we have two of these, we end up with 8 electrons. Now for the the chlorine atoms, we have 2 chlorine atoms. So each one contributes to 2 electrons for a total of 4 electrons. So in total for this whole compound, in the ionic electron count, we have 18 electrons.